The home button above the charging port allows you to wake your iPad. If you press it a second time, it will unlock your iPad. It also allows you to navigate between apps. So I'm going to open Word, and then if I tap my home button one time, I can switch to a different app. Now, if I want to open up Word and double click very quickly the home button, I'm able to see the apps that are open. And that's another way that I can switch to different apps. Double click the home button quickly, you have your active apps. On this screen, you can also swipe up to close any apps that were open. The home button allows you to wake your iPad, unlock your iPad, and by double clicking quickly on the home button, you can access your active apps and close them if necessary.